Lowcountry strawberry fields are laden with strawberries this time of year, and it's a great time to make Sea Island strawberry bread. And the best thing is, this recipe makes 2 loaves, so it's 1 to keep and 1 to share. First thing you want to do is turn your oven on to 350 degrees and let it preheat. And then grease and flour 2 loaf pans. I'm just using the cooking spray that has the flour in it. It's much easier. So what I've done is I've diced 2 cups of fresh strawberries and put them in a bowl. And to that, I'm just going to add a little bit of sugar to let some of the juices come out of the strawberries. The ingredients are 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of sugar, which we've used a little bit, but it'll be incorporated back into the flour. And then I have some cinnamon, baking soda, and salt. So I'm going to mix the dry ingredients together. Toss these strawberries and add the sugar to the flour. So then I want to add the wet ingredients, which are eggs, 4 eggs, and vegetable oil. Oops. So I'm going to mix this together until it is well combined. And these egg yolks are broken. And then I just want to pour it into the dry mixture. Now this batter is going to be thick. So we want to stir all of this together until it is well incorporated. And this mixture is going to be kind of thick. You just want your ingredients to be wet. So all of the dry ingredients are now incorporated. So just stir in a cup and a quarter of chopped pecans. You can leave this out if you don't like nuts, or you can use walnuts or almonds if you prefer. Just want to get the nuts mixed in. And then I'm going to turn the batter into my 2 pans. This is kind of like a quick bread, except it's not quick. It takes between 50 and 60 minutes to bake. I usually bake them for 50 minutes first and then check and stick a toothpick in to see if the center is set. Most of the time it's not, but then it only takes about 10 more minutes. So just, you know your oven. Just kind of watch your oven. Because you do want the center to be set. And after they bake, Pull them out the oven, put them on some baking racks, and let them cool completely. Okay, they're ready to go into the oven. Both loaves are out of the oven and have completely cooled, and see, they're beautiful. Just gonna give them a slice. I don't like the end of this. The bread is very tender and crumbly, and you can see the strawberries running through it. Moist and delicious, perfect for this time of year. I hope you'll try it. I mean, strawberries are everywhere. Happy cooking.
If you'd like to see more recipes like this, please subscribe. For complete ingredients and cooking instructions and to purchase cookbooks, visit cateringbydebbieCovington.com.